In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit categories in Microsoft Outlook. Whether you use Outlook for work, school, or personal email, having your emails well organized can greatly improve your productivity and efficiency. Categories in Outlook are a fantastic way to sort your emails, calendar events, and other items in a way that makes sense to you. So, let's dive into this simple yet effective organizational tool and learn how to edit these categories to suit your needs. First, open the Outlook application on your computer. Depending on your personal preferences, you might have different views, but today we will be focusing on the categories option available in the navigation pane. Start by clicking on any email or calendar event. It doesn't matter exactly which one, since we're not directly editing the content of the email or event itself. Rather, we're going to focus on the categories. Now, let's find the category feature. Once you have the email or calendar event open, you'll notice near the top, there is a section for categories. Go ahead and click on that categories option. If you haven't explored categories before, you might see some default categories like red, blue, or other color-coded labels. Moving forward, you need to click on the Manage option amongst the categories listed. This Manage option is the first step towards making category changes. It's like the control center for managing how your categories appear and what labels they have. Upon clicking Manage, you will see a list of all the categories that you currently have. Next to the category names, you'll notice some small icons resembling a pencil. This is your edit tool. Click on the pencil icon next to the category you wish to edit. Once you click on the pencil icon, a text box will appear with the current name of the category. Simply edit this box to reflect the new name you desire for your category. It could be something specific like work, family, or even a project name you're currently tackling. Changing the category label to something more intuitive is a great way to ensure you can rapidly locate information. After typing in the new name, confirm your change. And that's it, you've successfully edited a category in Outlook. Using categories is an excellent way to quickly glance at your inbox or calendar and see all relevant items grouped together. This small but mighty organizational tactic can immensely streamline your processes. Remember, you can use categories to manage not just emails, but also calendar events and tasks. By editing and utilizing categories, your Outlook will become a much more organized and stress-free workspace. Don't hesitate to edit categories as your projects and priorities change over time. I hope this guide helps you maintain a more organized Outlook experience. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and guides.